Indoor plants and their health benefits. I am Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. Has your doctor ever recommended indoor plants to you as a way to improve your health? Doctors are always looking for natural solutions to help patients improve their health with minimal cost and without side effects. It is still not clear whether houseplants are that definitive solution for mood, cognition, or even cleaner air, but they are showing some promise. According to Time magazine in USA, plants are soothing. In one study, a group of researchers from Korea asked people to report a house plant or complete a short computer-based task, and afterwards they checked participants' heart rate, blood pressure. Then the group switched tasks. After working with plants, people reported feeling comfortable and soothed, and their blood pressure dropped. The computer task, on the other hand, caused them to feel uncomfortable and artificial and was associated with a spike in blood pressure and sympathetic nervous system activity. The finding suggests that indoor plants can reduce physiological and psychological stress, according to the authors of this study. We see a clear connection with the fact that being around plants improves cortisol level in your body. This is the report from an associate professor of horticulture at North Carolina University. We hold our stress hormones, cortisol, in our saliva, and we know this is decreased when we are around plants. Plants may play a role in speeding up recovery from an illness, injury, or surgery. According to one research review, hospitalized patients who had a view of plants or trees were calmer and had better clinical outcomes, including a reduced need for pain medication and a shorter hospital stay, compared to those who did not. The unofficial motto of the plant-loving community is "Plant make people happy." It is no doubt true. In one experiment, people who spent 5 to 10 minutes in a room with a few house plants felt happier than in a plant-free room. Level of comfort and positive emotions increase with the duration of exposure to plants. The author in one study noted that purple and green plants were particularly effective at reducing negative feelings. Spending time around plants is also linked with increased self-esteem and greater life satisfaction. Thank you very much for watching this video.